Conditional formatting also includes other options like icon sets. For example, highlight F2 to F11. On the Home tab in the ribbon, choose the Conditional Formatting button, and this time I'm going for icon sets. There are various icon sets to choose from. I might choose this set, which is known as 3 symbols uncircled. If I click that, it automatically applies an icon set. But what I want to do is actually manage the rules that determine whether something gets a cross, an exclamation mark, or a tick. So I'll go back to the Conditional Formatting button on the Home tab in the ribbon, and I'll Manage Rules. If I click Manage Rules, I can then click on Icon Set and I can edit the rule. For example, I might decide to reverse the icon order, so I'll click this button. And now the cross is at the top. A cross will appear when a value is greater than or equal to 67%. Change percent to number and change 0 to 1000. In the next type box, change percent also to number. So a red X will appear when a value is greater than or equal to 1000. A yellow exclamation mark will appear when a value is between 0 and 1000. And a green tick will appear when a value is less than 0. And when I click OK and OK, the symbols appear altered. You can also experiment with data bars and colour scales. If I highlight H2 to H11, I can go to Conditional Formatting and I can choose data bars. There are various gradient and solid colours to choose from, so I can choose perhaps this option, red data bar. As things get more positive, the red bar gets longer. As they near 0, it gets smaller, and as they go into the negatives, the length of the bar increases in a negative fashion towards the left. If I highlight J2 to J11, I can go back into Conditional Formatting and I can choose something called Colour Scales. And colour scales, again, there are many options. If I choose blue, white and red, as things get into the negative, they go more red, and as they get into the positive further and further, they go a darker blue. But just like we did with the icon sets, you can actually manage the rules as well.